Want to level up your advertising game? Look no further. Unicom Marketing's got you covered. Let me introduce to you our new 3D Anamorphic truck. Designed to bring brands to life, our Anamorphic 3D content goes beyond traditional advertising by producing dynamic, high-impact visuals that leave a lasting impression. Looking for a hassle-free way to reach all your target audience? Perfectly tailor your truck routes to reach specific areas and demographics anywhere within the Malaysian peninsula. Night or day, rain or shine. The 3D LED truck's programmatic capabilities always maximizes the effectiveness of your campaign by adapting to real-time factors. Wrap your campaign up with our truck's built-in crowd measurement technology. Equipped with GPS and CCTV tracking system, it delivers valuable insights on your campaign's performance, such as impressions and audience dwell times. Ready to revolutionize your advertising strategy? Contact Unicom Marketing to learn how our 3D Anamorphic truck can transform your brand experience to a whole new world. Bye!